keep the mobile case.
Ah.
Di sana bagus. Kasi nga dia. Put here to that. Okay.
Ada. How to put there?
Maybe your mobile no, cannot downside
the
to
case.
have.
Huh?
What you- what you-
Mobile case.
Ah. Good idea. Ah, better have.
Yeah. Here also again.
Yeah, this one okay. All cool, sit down.
Come. Yeah, here. Sit down there. Relax, cook. Relax, cook.
Picture? No need you, not the all. Go back.
Okay, good morning guys.
Good morning.
My name is Andres Dinoy.
You coming
Okay,
here?
don't start no?
You coming
Yeah,
here?
start.
You coming here?
Ready, start? Yeah, start.
Yeah.
No problem, that's one only.
Only looking at.
Now, I'm here to make induction about this one for COVID-19 or coronavirus. Supposed to be social distancing, but no problem as now because you are here, you are family here.
Yeah.
Now, why are you here? For your works, correct?
Correct.
And to be why you here you work about your family, because always protect yourself every time and protect your family and community. This community. That's why during the some toolbox no daily some achievement to make like safety officer daily to make
TBT.
okay activity. What is the work today? Normally, every time can you go outside face mask because you have some problem because you know this coronavirus. The government of the UAE is some fine 3,000 dirham about we don't have face mask. And then our company, so that's why here some our manager asked me about this one for some not you have people or pro whatever our people some is charging we don't have face mask charging 1 day deducted salary. The seaman will be I think 500 dirham. So many some here before some there about this one for what name this one company NMDC. NMDC here's work some birds they're docking some catching about our the managing director sa taking video at taking picture. We don't have face mask, we don't have helmet, that's why I take this one ban and then send email to the NMDC and this guy not allowed to come inside or we have fine 500 dirham. And outside you catching we don't have face mask, the government is catching or police 3,000 dirham. So big problem for your family. You are here because of your family, because you work here to give support to your family. It's very important. I need to come back to your home is simply because you're here to make protect yourself every time. Because your life is not enough, only alone. Only one your life, and then you have some something happen to you. What to do? You see your family is crying. So about this our company, if you go outside, no problem to you every time. But you the working area is, you know this area, is some drinking water, no? And because don't come in here because later on, some our manager some say what are you doing here? So big problem for you. Because if you go outside wearing your helmet, put in the gate for writing here, this area writing here or writing your ship garnet what your ship
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth. So if you work in here in your vessel, you here no problem. We don't have fish much your family because I think you have already finished vaccine. This one.
Yeah.
You go hospital today.
Yeah, we will go back soon.
But very important, swab test. If you don't have vaccine, go to the ICAD, no? Please pray. 9 o'clock until 9 p.m. So, very important, you monitor yourself because you have positive. If positive for you, maybe your company bring to the
Quarantine.
facilities quarantine. So, careful every time. Because this one, coronavirus spreading here and now in the UAE, so much positive. I think this one, no, maybe business or I don't know. Some other people, this is business.
Dubai too much also test. PCR test too much money.
Dubai, this is
100,
business.
100 at 30 dirham.
So,
Before
here in Abu Dhabi is
150
free.
dirham.
Because why so much positive here? From Dubai bring here. Because Dubai people to come in border, swab, and then round, and then swab again, and then come back again, swab again. It's because Dubai in some here have free. That's why to coming here free. If you coming here 3 times swab test, how much was 65 dirham? So it's meant 3 swab test. It's meant how much? 65, 200, right?
195.
185. Oh, 185. So 185 is your pray and go in Dubai. How much you want gasoline? Maybe 100 only.
150.
195. 65.
No, about this one gasoline.
Gasoline,
Petrol,
gasoline.
petrol.
Petrol.
Oh, petrol.
How much?
1 dirham.
Maybe 100 dirham. 100 dirham. So you have saved by 95 dirham.
The Dubai also PCR test too much take money.
How much?
150.
Very
One
expensive,
time.
huh?
You pay?
No, before you see company give
Oh,
pay every
yeah.
people.
Oh
go
yeah,
pay.
yeah. We going to hospital.
Yeah,
there.
hospital. Yeah.
130 or 20?
150 before, now 3 dirham, 20 dirham less.
But also in Indonesia so much positive.
Yeah, so much.
Also Philippines.
All
Yeah.
Because so much business.
Too much business.
before say this come in either very hot virus going, you know.
Yeah.
Very hot now too much positive.
Because some other hospital, private hospital, if you go there, if you have something, it's for this, and then after positive.
Yeah, my
And then
also
by
make business.
they goes back charge to the
Business also
government.
My government before not believe. They will go to my country.
Some people not believe about this corona, but you know, this government pushing to it, monitor it. What you do about the safety and health. So be careful every time, because you don't know.
But this one,
Some other people also boycott, no? But I have I am negative already. Finished my swab test. I am weekly swab test. Actually, the government for 10 days, but me, I need weekly. You have hope people this one for positive before.
Nobody.
Nobody?
Nobody.
Maybe coming you positive.
No, already PCR test.
Already
Test already
PCR.
Yeah,
coming.
Today.
one by one now. This business.
No, already vaccine also.
Huh? Already vaccine, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Vaccine also don't care positive coming some people.
Because telling some people, I don't know, some people talking about vaccine already one year?
Maybe not 10 months.
1 year, expire after
10
again.
months maybe.
Siya kuno have booster na, booster.
Yeah, yeah.
Variant,
The 3 time.
Delta, variant Delta. Another Delta or variant?
The booster called the 3 time.
Yeah, booster. Maybe another virus, another 4 dose. Another. So this part and now you are the member of the Triple 6, no?
6.
You know what's the Triple 6? Huh? Antichrist? Now already vaccine, you are member of the Antichrist. That's a joke only. So now, okay. What another question?
So, sir, one question. Working on it, no problem, yeah, without mask.
This your
Or
area,
contact, yeah.
but outside This area no problem. Your Christmas to come in here to make inhalate so much.
Yeah, you going
If
outside.
you go outside, nobody people inhalate no problem.
Ah.
But they're very important to have face mask. Why? Because our manager have people looking.
Yeah, watching.
So very careful. This is money. This is part of money.
Yeah, man, take no problem. We're going outside.
Maybe this money, this one from China. Maybe China planning to make go Mars. That's correct. Correct. Because planning of China, maybe it's Mars, maybe giving city,
Yeah.
and then the gasoline station.
Before he going Mars, maybe he make some disease in the earth.
Yeah, that's why this the farm now start. After so much, this is the whole world. Escape to the China, escape to the Ghana. Actually, siya planning also Mr. Bill Gates planning to the Mars. That's why now Mars will be some create observation. You know, remember the movie before? Mars and Mars people.
Oh no, look, another also have this plant in.
This movie,
This movie before?
Bollywood movie or Hollywood?
I don't know what's the title that one from movie from Mars, no?
There are plenty of movies from Mars.
From Mars. Na before movie, but now actual. Because it's one for some people talking about this one for hiring to the going to the Mars for workers for on the symbol of building. Maybe like that. This planning, only planning, but I don't know if it's true or no. Only talking. By the way, now let's finish the toolbox talk or induction. Thank you guys and God bless you all. But don't forget to your every time there about face mask. Very careful every time because your family is within your country. And also you be careful you work every time whatever some people to go inside the confined space. Be careful some body system and check every time your or 24 hours open your or making blower because very important that one. Your life is only one, not enough. Okay guys, take care.
Thank you.
One more,
Okay.
one more. How about the regulation for helmet? Is it should be full?
Normally this PPE, no? This is the part of the PPE
The helmet.
helmet. But your helmet bring there in the
So we put in the security guard.
no, not security, in outside security because they have camera there, no? They have camera. He knows how catching.
No, I think I bring helmet going outside. I going outside. I hear to bring the helmet. Where put after your security get inside?
No, not security. In outside because they have camera.
Outside put. Outside have pillars. Some
Have
pillars.
that down. I will put already before that.
For helmet, yeah.
For secure your helmet. Because he knows how people this one check the camera. Wow, who catching ha? Okay? And ano have question again?
No, you eat cake. Eat.
Question first, after cake here.
Eat.
Cake ha?
Yeah.
Always making cake is good man ha? He knows this one cooking about Indonesian food ha?
Yeah.
Kung also Filipino? Ha? You are a good man ha? Your buddy, your food here is okay?
It's good.
Good ha? Or say India no problem because the same eating no problem ha? Anytime.
India here no have no problem. Better come all Indonesian.
Huh? No problem ha?
Yeah, no need for onion cutting too much. Tomato cutting too much.
Small,
Yeah.
simple. You put onion, garlic, and chili. Finish.
Also Filipino no cutting too much onion, huh?
Huh?
Filipino. No need cut too much.
No, then
All the simple have soya sauce, western sauce food.
Kalas ha?
Kalas.
Okay guys, thank you. God bless you all.
Okay, thank you
Thank you
very
very
much, sir, for induction.